RV Inspector Pro. Welcome back to another RV Inspector Pro how-to video. Today's video, we're going to show you how you can use dynamic questions in the RV Inspector Pro template. Dynamic questions are an excellent feature in our RV inspection template because they allow you to use a single template to inspect all different types of RVs. And for example, what I mean by a dynamic question is where you see storage compartments here on my inspection and it says add storage compartment. Well, one inspection that you might be doing this week for a fifth wheel might have 2 storage compartments. And another, let's say Class A motorhome that you inspect 2 weeks from now might have 5 storage compartments. So using our template's dynamic questions feature, you can simply tap the add storage compartment button and it automatically adds storage compartment 1 for you and all of its associated questions. And when you're done answering those questions, you can simply hit add at the top right next to storage compartment 1 and you get storage compartment 2 with the same series of questions. And this way you can use the dynamic feature to add as many of those items, in this case storage compartments, as you need per inspection. So again, in this inspection I only have 2, so I'm going to fill out these answers and I'm going to move on to my next question. But in the event that I had 3 or 4, I just keep hitting add and it adds storage compartment 3 with another series of questions. And just as simply as I added a new one, if I want to get rid of one of the storage compartments, I just hit delete. It confirms if I want to make sure I want to delete that, and then as soon as I say yes, it goes away. So here are the questions for storage compartment 1. So let's fill these in. So it has key locks and a slam latch. Its compartment door features that I inspected include the door seals, hinges and gas cylinders in operation. And its storage site condition was good. Pull-out trays condition was, let's say, fair. And let's make a note. Trays were a little sticky. Okay, close. And then overall storage compartment condition is acceptable. Then going on to storage compartment 2, on this one it only had a twist latch and its compartment doors that I inspected were, let's say, the door seals in operation. And its storage light condition was bad and pull-out trays condition was acceptable. Storage condition overall is acceptable. And I'm done. So a second type, again, another example of a dynamic question is, let's say, awnings here. So all I have to do is simply hit add awning and I can start filling out the questions. So overall length of the awning is 12, let's say 10 feet. And the awning material is vinyl. Awning type was hydraulic. And then the overall awning condition was acceptable. Now, if that's the only awning I have, I'm done. I can move on to my next question. But if I need to add another awning, all I have to do is simply scroll back up to where it says awning 1, and there's a delete and add button. And I simply just tap add, and I get awning 2 with those same questions. So here's awning 1 above, and here's awning 2. Now let's say that I don't want awning 2, so I just hit delete and it goes away. Now what if I have a section where it says, let's for example, outside wall lights, but I don't have any? So what do? Nothing. You just skip that question and therefore it won't put it in the report, and when you export the report in PDF format, when it says outside wall lights, it'll just be blank, and that way it will indicate that there are none. So that's a quick video on how you can use the dynamic questions feature in the RV Inspector Pro template. Tune in next time, and we'll show you even more about how you can use RV Inspector Pro to make your RV inspections extremely easy and save time and increase your ROI. Thank you. RV Inspector Pro. Simplify your RV inspections.